Hello everyone, welcome to Maths with Mr. J, and today we are going to look at how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, vice versa. The first one, we have Celsius to Fahrenheit, and the formula is given as F equals to 9 over 5 C plus 32. And when converting Fahrenheit to Celsius, you can use C equals to 5 over 9 into F minus 32. The two formulas are the same. You don't need to memorize, just know one. You can substitute the value given, then you can still get your answer. Now we take example 1. Example 1 reads convert 15 degree Celsius to Fahrenheit. Solution. All we do, we write the formula of Fahrenheit, which is F equal to 9 all over 5 times C plus 32. Then in place of C, we substitute 15 degree. That is F equal to 9 over 5 times 15 plus 32. We first consider multiplication in order of operation. We have F equal to 5 divided 15, we have 3, meaning 3 times 9 gives us 27 plus 32. F is equal to 27 plus 32, we have 59 degree Fahrenheit. Now we jump to example 2. Example 2, convert 30 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit. Solution, we still write the formula, which is F equal to 9 all over 5 times C is 30 degrees Celsius. We put it in place of C, which is 30 plus 32. 5 into 30 gives us 6. 6 times 9 gives us 54 plus 32. Therefore, F is equals to 54 plus 32. We have 86 degree Fahrenheit as the answer. Then let's move to example 3. Convert 50 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. So what we do is a solution. We write the formula of Celsius, which is C equal to 5 over 9 into F, which is Fahrenheit, minus 32. If we put 50 in place of F, we have C equal to 5 over 9 into 50 minus 32, which gives us C equals to 5 over 9. 50 minus 32 gives us 18. Then C is equals to 9 into 18 gives us 2. 2 times 5 gives us 10 degrees Celsius. Then we move to example 4. Example 4 is convert 95 degree Fahrenheit to Celsius. Solution, we repeat the same formula, which is C equals to 5 over 9 into F minus 32. C is equals to 5 over 9 into, in place of F, we put 95, which is 95 minus 32. C is equal to 5 over 9 into 95 minus 32 gives us 63. 9 divided by 63, we have 7. And C is finally 5 times 7 gives us 35 degree Celsius, which is the final answer. We have learned how to convert Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius and vice versa. If this helped, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.